guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. You join me today with this insane looking M2 which belongs to Rhys from R44 Performance. Now some of you guys may recognise the name R44 Performance because I have worked with them briefly with my M140i. Now this is Rhys's personal car, kind of the shop car I suppose you could say, and well yeah, it's got a lot of stuff on it. So I'll introduce you to Rhys in a second before we go out for a little drive and enjoy this glorious day. But how good does that forged carbon bonnet look in the sun that we got today?
Hi guys, it's Rhys here from R44 Performance out with Luke. A quick walk round of my M2. So starting off with the most important part, which is our new GTS hood. So it's full forged carbon fibre with a vent for cooling. It's quite an aggressive look. So we'll go on to obviously another nice bit of forged. So the full kit, the full car is a full forged kit all the way around. So all the carbon parts are forged carbon. So we've got a CS, so competition style. So this is based off of the M2 competition, the M Performance. So this is made for the N55 car. And then we've got some mirror caps, touch on the wheels. We've got some IW Sperry's, paired up with some EBC orange stuff. And then come on, we've got some forged carbon side skirts as well. We've pretty much gone all out really on the forged carbon stuff. We've got forged carbon spoiler, which is a CS spoiler. And then we've got M Performance tips. Yeah, so we'll touch on performance-wise. It's a stage 1 map with an intake system, a decat, and a stock catback system at the moment, but it sounds great, which is good, just to keep it track friendly because it's pretty much a track focused car for us. Apart from just testing products, we use it on track. And then we'll take you on to the interior if you want to have a look. We have a matte carbon fibre flat bottom steering wheel with moulded side grips and perforated leather with the M stitching, matte carbon fibre paddle shifters, and then the full OEM exposed carbon interior set with Alcantara, and then some M4 comp seats to finish it off. Wraps actually from Oracle, no, it's Avery wrap, purple, from a company called Auto Skins, which they've gone the full works. As you can see, we play a game called Guess the Colour.
What colour is it? Stock?
Stock, it's actually blue, but you wouldn't find. So it's the Long Beach blue. We've gone, yeah, the full works. There's pretty much no exposed blue, apart from on the struts inside. Yeah. So if you get pulled over, you just lift that up and say, there you go, officer. But you can see just through here. But yeah, so they've done the full works, wrapped everything, all the lights out, doors off. So that's quite the full operation. So yeah, it's loaded on H&R springs as well, so it gives it a perfect stance. And then custom kind of offset on the wheels to just, yeah, set it all off perfectly.
Yeah man, looks awesome. Anyway,
cheers.
Thanks for that. And,
yeah, no worries.
Have some fun. Yes, already. I really want one. So
my door's open. What do we do now?
Oh no. That's staying in the video.
That would have been a fun slide.
If we went the other way, then the door would have just come open.
Yeah. Shaking out a GoPro on the side.
Yeah. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so power-wise, you've done what, stage 1?
Stage 1, yeah. So it's got like an intake system which helps the breathing and a decat. But yeah, just good power smooth stage 1 at the moment.
Yeah, and it's running what, just over 400?
Yeah, around 420 or something like that. It's quite
what are these stock?
Stock, I think 370.
Okay, yeah, decent.
So it's a good little increase in it. It's just a bit more aggressive, which is the key thing.
Yeah. No, it's I don't know what it is about these cars, but just the way they look and the way they sound, even stock, they just makes me really, really want one.
Yeah.
You went from a 240 before.
240i.
You made a natural progression.
Yeah, because the B58 is just such a beautiful engine.
Yeah.
So it's like, friends even said I should be doing a B58 swap into one of these because the B58 is such a has so much potential.
Yeah. Just that kick you get. Oh man.
The M55 in this is great because it has like a better tone than like a 235, for example.
Yeah. It's like a really deep tone as well. And when it backfires, it's like properly loud.
Yeah. So the map has like a little pop and bang to it.
Yeah.
That's adjustable through. So like sport, you get a couple.
Oh yeah.
That's it. And then if you go traction is when you get the big. Yeah. It's quite nice. So if you want to, go for the city centre being annoying, you can do that.
So passenger seat is fun.
They are so nice. The setup just makes for an easy drive as well.
Just works, doesn't it? You've done a fair old bit to the inside as well, obviously, with what you do.
Yeah. So we released a new steering wheel company this week. So when the video comes out on the 12th of the 6th, which is cool. So yeah, full custom steering wheels. So we've got that. Some extended paddle shifters.
Yeah.
OEM interior. Because the M2 comes with like quite a good interior set already, but they miss out some key stuff around here and leave it silver. So
yeah, I think you can get. Is it that?
Yeah. These are two from BMW.
Some of it you can't. Is it?
Yeah. This comes factory.
Is it?
You can get this for like a 2 Series and a 1 Series as well, but you have to buy it. But this is factory, and this is optional as well. Normally the factory is like carbon and silver. I'm not a fan of the silver life. So.
Yeah, mine's all silver at the moment, which we need to do something about.
We'll sort that out.
To be fair, you properly kitted it all out.
Yeah, and it's got the new M4 seats fitted this morning.
Literally this morning.
Yeah, collected at 5 AM.
Lovely.
Fitted a couple hours after. So yeah, no, they seem quite good.
Yeah,
they do.
I don't actually know what the stock M2 seats are like, so I'm a bit clueless.
Exactly same as your 1 Series, but with some different colour stitching.
Yeah,
so that's the kind of reason for changing it.
Yeah, so a bit flat.
Yeah, these hug you in, which is not.
Yeah, they
nice,
do. Yeah.
I've only ever like driven an M4 or M3 with them, so it's my first day too.
Yeah.
It's quite nice.
Even inside with the windows up as well, just such a nice sound.
Yeah,
it's not obnoxious. Well, it is obnoxious sometimes, but like just driving like this, even it's not too bad.
And the good thing is, this is actually just a stop catback system. So all I've done is put a decat on, and that was it. So I had a Rhys on it for about 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Because I wanted to do a bit of quarantine fun and fitted a Rhys on front of the drive, like the gram and stuff for the company. Yeah. So it's quite good fun. It was good fun to have serious pop and bangs.
Yeah.
But I think this is a nice tone. It's perfect for track days as well. It's under the UK limits. So.
It's track day season is upon us now.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, both of us are going on track. Well, different tracks, but
Monday
both got track
brands
days,
for me.
Yeah, I'm down at Goodwood soon, which you'll see that video fairly soon as well. But in terms of plans, well, you've pretty much done everything possible to one of these.
Yeah, I think the next thing most people do would increase the power again. So I'm doing some testing on track at Brands and at Bedford for some intercoolers, for a new intercooler company called Masseter. So we're doing some testing with them, and that'll be like to finally get an intercooler on here.
Yeah.
And then maybe stage 2 map.
Yep.
And apart from that, I'm not serious about having 600 brake horsepower or something or hybrid turbos.
Yeah.
Because I want reliability.
Yeah.
Power really.
Yeah, being a shop car for an aesthetic company as well. I mean, to be fair, I've never seen a car with a forged carbon bonnet, so there you go.
I think we're first in the world, I think, definitely for an M2.
Yeah.
We probably might have the odd McLaren or something that has a forged carbon,
like a Mansory kit or something.
That's who we're competing with at the moment.
Yeah. I love that noise you get right at the red line as well.
You can do like a VTEC style read.
Because on my car, you hit the limiter, it just stays.
Yeah, it just doesn't do anything.
It stops. Are you going to change?
No, this with the M2, the way they've it's kind of mapped from the factory, I think. It gives a nice kind of tone, as well as it's got some different internals compared to like the normal N55.
Yeah.
Which allows you to beat it a little bit more.
Sounds so good.
The gearbox is so quick as well with the DCT.
It gives you that almost reassuring little kick as well. Like it's not completely streamlined.
Yeah,
You get
smooth.
that little bit of aggression, which is nice. Because with the M140, because this is all I can really compare this with, it's almost, there's a little bit of a kick, but it's almost like a little bit of a surge. It's not like doesn't like throw you back.
It's a dual clutch in the DCT, so it's a lot more power. Like it's a lot powerful.
Yeah.
Which is good. Which you need. But this is only a 7-speed gearbox, the DCT, compared to the 140i, the ZF box is an 8-speed, which is nicer on the motorway.
Yeah.
Because it's quite hooked up though. It's we've had like the Geo set up as well.
Yeah.
It's good.
Sweet. No, there's a lot done to this. A lot done to it. And you haven't even had it that long either, have you?
No, we were trying to work that out earlier.
Yeah.
I'm a bit unsure when I took possession of it, but I think it was about September time.
Yeah. Way less than a year.
Yeah, so it's been good. It's just shame really about the old Corona situ, but it's now time to get the mods done.
Yeah, a lot of spare time.
I know. Oh yes. Maybe if we were in the old
I don't
daily.
think we'll do that. Yeah.
No.
He flew through there, didn't he?
He's redlining each gear as well.
Straight over the curbs.
Speed humps. See if we can do a little launch control.
Yeah.
It's quite exciting. Sometimes it doesn't do it when it's too hot, but
Oh, really?
it's a bit.
Is there like a specific mode? And everything
Yeah, you have to do DSC off and then manual mode and then plant the brake and then rev it, and then you can use the cruise control button to adjust your RPM to kind of your desired.
And that's factory like that?
Yeah, that's just factory launch for the M cars. Whereas like a 140 you have to, it only goes 2.5 and you can't increase it.
And it just doesn't work.
yeah, sometimes. So it's ready.
Oh yeah. Oh, that instant kick as well.
It takes off.
Yeah.
But it's with the PS4s as well, and the 4 it's quite grippy.
Yeah. Now there's a definite amount of want for one of these. I'm not gonna lie. It is like almost a natural progression from a 140 and or the 240, like what you did.
A lot of people say like, why would you upgrade from a 2 Series, like a 240 to an M2? But once you do it, you just know why you did it.
Yeah.
It's a great all-rounder really.
It's just got so much character as well. So much character. Now, I was initially, when I sold my Golf R, there was 2 cars which I was thinking of buying, 140 obviously, or an M2, but I couldn't afford one at the time. I just loved the proportions of it, and I just love them.
Then you need to do an M2 140 conversion.
Yeah, have you seen that? Oh.
Maybe that needs to happen.
I was going through Instagram the other day, and like every other post was that car.
And then everyone on Instagram just like reposting all the pages.
It did look really cool though.
The guy he definitely went the extra mile.
Yeah, cool. Definitely. Anyway, man, I think that's going to wrap things up for today. Huge thank you to take me out here, experience it. My first time in an M2, actually.
Really?
As well, yeah.
Well, you definitely started off with a good
With
start.
a decent one, yeah. Probably the most highest, well, one of the most highly aesthetically modified ones in the UK.
Yeah.
Because obviously there's ones with bigger power, but no, the stuff you've done to it, it's made it look awesome. And the wrap as well.
Yeah, the wrap is honestly one of my favourite parts. Just the quality of it.
It looks like paint.
It looks like paint, and the car's been, we went on a road trip around like Slovenia and all of Scandinavia and stuff like that, and there's been no peeling or anything after all the salt and snow.
That was like a 5,000 mile road trip, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think we clocked maybe almost like 7,000 miles or something.
That's mental.
It's a long journey back.
Yeah. Anyway, as always in these videos, I will leave your link down in the description down below for you guys to go check out. Actually, I'll leave 2, your Instagram and also the R44 Instagram. as well for you guys to go check out. But once again, thank you very much, and that is it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe. All the adventures, definitely are.